Hey there crew, Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. So in this quick tutorial, I want to show you some of our new templates, and these are our editable templates. So they're base templates that you can change and edit the text pretty easily in CorelDRAW, and you can also use the TRW design wizard to do mock-ups and everything else. So here's kind of what you'll get with each one of the different purchases on the website on the rhinestoneworld.com. So when you get one of the actual designs, this is, for example, one of the soccer templates, our 009 A, B, and C. So you're going to get 3 versions of the design. So basically, the top left is just showing you that you can put your text here, custom numbers, things like that. This one right here, the first one, A, is always going to be a nice file to be cut with a vinyl cutter. So a single color cut with a vinyl cutter. The second one, B, can be a 2-color cut with a vinyl cutter, or it can obviously be used for sublimation, direct-to-garment, screen printing, different things like that. And then the third one is going to be more of a print cut, sublimation, direct-to-garment type, where it might have some different fading and different things, obviously, that you can't do with your standard vinyl cutter. So what our goal is with these different templates is to make them as easy as possible for you, but also, depending on what type of production you're doing, make them easy for all different styles and types of production, depending on the equipment and the business that you have, okay? So give you an example of how one of these actually work. This one here, we got the Lakewood Ranch Mustangs Dance Team. What's really awesome about a design like this is we can change it to whatever we want. Let's say we want it to be Braden River. I can just go here and I can just type out Braden River, and maybe they are the Yellow Jackets. With text, I just clicked on the Mustangs, and I can come over here and type Yellow Jackets and hit OK, and it'll fill that in perfectly. Maybe it's not 2017, maybe it's 2016. Hit OK there. And then instead of dance team, we want to do the Braden River Yellow Jackets class of whatever. Or maybe we want to do something different and just varsity soccer. Varsity soccer. And click there. So there we go. Our design is completely edited for a brand new school that quickly. So one thing that you do need to do, because this text right here, the way that it was typed, it was on a path. So I'm going to go to my wireframe, and I can see that circle going around in that area right there? We need to make one little change to make this an easy to cut file, okay? And that one change is basically we're grabbing this circle that the text is on. We're just going to go Object, Break Compound Object Apart, okay? Now we can grab that circle, and it's clear, so you can't see it. If I change it to a color, you would see this. And I'm just going to delete that now, and now this file is ready to send to our vinyl cutter if we want. So when I go to wireframe, you can see that circle's not there anymore. So once you're done editing, it literally takes 5 seconds to get rid of that circle, and now we have a perfect ready to go cut file. Let's go to another example here. This one here is a multicolor example, okay? So with this one, a couple different things we can do. We're going to click on the text. We want to change Mustangs here, and we want to change this to, we can change it to Yellow Jackets as well. Yellow Jackets. And hit OK. That's changed to Yellow Jackets. Now we want to change the text around. You can see this text also has a border around it as well. So with all the small stars and everything inside it, this might be one that we're going to do for a print. So a print cut, maybe a vinyl car decal or something like that. We can easily change these colors around. Let's say they wanted this. We have the Yellow Jackets here, and now they want that to be a yellow outline. So I just clicked on that outline right there. Right up here at the top, I could go to yellow, and now it's a yellow outline. If I wanted the fill to be a different color, just double click down here on my color, and I want to change that to a red. Now we have a yellow and red, and just click OK. If I wanted this fading change it to be a different color, check this out. It's a fountain fill. Just double click on it. Let's say instead of green and black, I want red and black. So I'm going to click on the green right there. Let's go ahead and change this to a red, and beautiful. Look how easy this is coming along in editing this. And then my outside right here, let's just say I want that. We have that as a fountain fill as well, and we want to change the green to the red on this one too. So let's go up to our red and change that to a red as well, and hit OK. OK. And we just completely edited all of that. The colors, the text, everything we want. And we got our 2017. We can change that to anything we want as well. So this is one where it's going to have a lot of different things going on. But because of the fountain fill and the fading and everything, you're not going to use this one for your vinyl cutter. You're going to use this for your print cut vinyl or your sublimation or your direct-to-garment, things like that. Let's run over to another one here. So we're going to have all different types of layouts, but you can see with all of these, this one's Mustangs. Let's just say we want to make it Pirates. I just type in Pirates, hit OK, and now Pirates fit in there perfect. With this one right here, instead of Lakewood Ranch, we want to do Braden River, one of our local high schools here. Hit OK, changes it to Braden River. We want to change baseball to volleyball. Just type out volleyball, hit OK, and look at that. In a matter of 20 seconds, we created a brand new design for the Braden River Pirates volleyball team. All right, another example here. Again, this is going to be one of our print versions as well. But all you're doing on each of them, just click on the text, click on Pirates. We want to change this one to Mustangs, and hit OK. Mustangs perfectly in there. This isn't the basketball camp. This has now become the band camp. Hit OK, and now it's the Braden River Mustangs band camp. Very, very easy to do. Change that 2016-2017 to a 2017-2018. Perfect. And now this is ready to be a print cut decal or anything you want. So all of these different types of templates that we have, they're very easily editable, okay? This one here could be a print cut. So 2-color design, okay? Click on my text here. I want to change this to the Mustangs one. We're going to change colors and everything. So let's go Mustangs. Okay. And we want this top part to be Lakewood Ranch. So I'm going to go Lakewood Ranch and hit OK. Now we want to change our colors around a little bit. We want this right here. And I'm going to select same color. And let's go green. And our fill there is going to be the green as well. And we wanted to do green and black anyway, so we have our green and we have our black, and this is now ready to go. So Lakewood Ranch Mustangs. Now the one thing you do need to do with this one right here, because this has the outline around it, see that little white outline right there? What you're going to do to get it ready for your cut is you do have to do a little bit of work on this one. But again, very easy. The layout's done for you. This is pretty simple. Watch, when I go to wireframe, see the different lines? Well, your vinyl cutter is going to see all of that. You don't want all those cut lines there, correct? So here's what I'm going to do. Click on the Lakewood Ranch, go to Objects, and then you can see Group, Ungroup, all these different things. I actually want to click on the outline of it and break contour apart. So if I click on the green, it doesn't give me that option. If I click on the white contour outline, then I can break contour apart. So what that did is it took the contour, and I'll change it a different color just so you can see it here. See the pink? Okay, so now what I'm going to do is watch this. I'm going to click on the pink, shift click to the black, and then I'm going to do a back minus front, and we're done. Now watch, when I go into my wireframe, this is perfectly ready to go for a vinyl cutter. See how easy that is? And that's our goal with templates like this, to make it as easy as possible for you to take an awesome looking design like this and just add it. So let's just say they wanted this shirt for a men's shirt, and I want to throw it on a mock-up real quick. I can go to my mock-ups in the wizard. I can do a quick product. The product I want is a men's t-shirt. Save my product. And then the design I want is that one. Save my design, create my mock-up. It's going to run through it in our mock-up wizard, and bam, there it is perfectly on the shirt. How awesome does that look? And just think, change it to any color you want, any text you want in a matter of literally a minute. And now you have a new custom design. Doesn't have to be for sports. It could be for a church group. It could be for an organization. It could be for the YMCA. It can be for whatever you want because it doesn't have a specific sport on it, okay? So on the website, you're going to find these under the editable templates, okay? Because you just click on them. They aren't like the magic envelopes where any of these that you want to change, you just click on the text, click on it, and it changes them all perfectly to keep the exact same layout of the template. This one's pretty awesome with like the little stadium in the background. The 2017 Class 5A Florida High School Baseball Championship in Sarasota, Florida. So again, look how awesome that is, and then watch how awesome this is going to look on a shirt. Let's make it about 10.5 inches, good for a men's size shirt. Save the design, create the mock-up, and check that out. Pretty awesome, isn't it? Obviously, this one has the fading and everything, so it would be either a screen printed, direct-to-garment, sublimation, something like that. And then we could change the color of the shirt if we wanted to yellow or anything we want. Pretty awesome here in the Wizard, okay? Alright, so you're going to find all of these templates, like I said, under the editable templates on the rhinestoneworld.com website. So if you want any, right now we have some of them listed, but we are going to get a ton of these listed here in the near future, and we'll keep listing them. I think at the time this video was made, we have about 10 to 12 of them, but 10 to 12 individual, where each one comes with 3 designs as well, okay? So grab them on the website. If you do have any questions, just give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. Hope you enjoy this. Matt with the rhinestoneworld.com, and you guys all have a great day.